I'm at my parents' this weekend because Mocha's shooting a wedding in Fresno, California. So it's now the second evening here, and right now me and my mom are prepping dinner to have. My dad's in his room, and we are watching Seppa's babies right now because Clay has a softball tournament in Grantsville and she hasn't been feeling good, so we figured it was easier for her to bring the kids here. Anyway, I am preparing cabbage steaks for me and my mom. She just got done grilling potatoes. There's the potatoes. She's baking brownies. And then we're gonna have steaks with our potatoes and cabbage. Whoa. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Pepper. Onion powder. Same thing to the other side. Whoa. Look at this cool. My mom has always the coolest little pans. She's frying the steaks on. I love roasted potatoes.
Home run!
I know, I saw it. What are you doing? Zig's being silly. He wants to go on a walk. So again, we're hoping the weather. By the time we finish dinner, it might not even be light out. We'll have to do a night walk around the circle, Mom. Okay, dinner's done. And we're gonna eat. Raya came over. Go sit down, Goosey. All right, it is Monday. It's a new week. It's almost 10:30. I just got home from a nail appointment. I got this, like, it looks like a tennis ball color. It's like a highlighter, yellow, green. Love it. Never done this shade before. But anyways, I do work today, but I'm starting late today because I had my nail appointment. Make a long story short, Mocha needs a ride to Delta, which he starts at noon. And Mondays are also my semi-glutide injection day. So because my appointment was early at 8 a.m., I planned on doing my appointment, coming home, making and having a healthy, nutrient-dense breakfast, take my injection, my supplements for the day, while also meal prepping a healthy lunch to take to work for me and Mocha, drop him off at work, then go to work. So just got home, just walked in, going to put away some things, and then start breakfast, meal prepping, pill prepping, all the things. So Here we go. Saving these little containers has been a lifesaver because then I just get big orange juice, fill these up, and then I have these prepped daily for the powders that I have to take each day. I just toss them in there. Breakfast today is avocado toast. This has become an Antigua House favorite. This is our favorite bread. The only thing that is better than this one, I think, health-wise and taste-wise, is homemade sourdough bread. Do you want this before work?
Sure.
Avocado toast? 2 or 1? Okay. You don't think I'll have time?
Brave.
Because you can always put in a meal prep container my mom's dinner for you, but that's too risky of a meal for me to have my meal after my shop.
Whoa. Yeah, at least she knows how to take care of me.
We even have a bowl of scoop vanilla ice cream, and that brownie is yours. I ate mine last night.
I have to hide to eat that at work.
It was delicious.
Can't have anybody be jealous. My mother-in-law, guys.
Just half of it. And I think you'll be fine with half, honestly. Would you mind grabbing paper towel after? Roll.
Next up, she's cute. Full time. What's new? He's like a kid and a kid. Whoa! Go down the slide, queen. Girl's about to go down the slide and on his day. Like, he's having a. the night.
I was actually just supposed to FaceTime you.
You've been Okay, it was a long night. We had to pack and spent all day getting Miguel and Leah surprise together. But now we're in New York. And yeah, we'll vlog more. What do you have to say?
So I just got home from the grocery store. Had to do just a small, quick run. And I'm going to make me my favorite healthy meal that's fast and easy and delicious every time, which is a salmon bowl. Before I have to head to Kalea's softball games tonight. She has a game at 7 and 8:30. So anyways, gonna show my haul of what I bought. This is a fun treat I bought. If you haven't had these from Smith's, they're delicious. The banana walnut chocolate chip cookies. I got these because I'm going to the softball game and Seppa will be there with the babies. Ciala loves cookies right now. So got these to take to the softball game. I got me these headbands because I've been trying to find some good headbands that are comfortable. I've bought 2 sets already thus far, similar to those, but they're too loose, so they're no good to me. This is the milk I get, whole milk always. This is an organic milk. I got me this lunch bag because I've been needing one. Because I take my lunches in like my oversized reusable grocery bags. Got some breads, which get this one, which is like what we usually use for avocado toast. Got these English muffins that are easy, like meal prep breakfast sandwiches. Got some orange juice. I keep these in my fridge because I have orange juice when I take my supplements. Restocked on some eggs. I always get this brand, Vital Farms pasture-raised eggs. A cucumber for avocado toast, as well as my salmon bowl. Avocado. Some more Kewpie mayo because I was running low. And then the last 2 things, some coconut oil for cooking, especially for the homemade soft granola I do it with coconut oil. And I've needed a new bottle. And then to go with my dinner, this is another splurge treat that I don't really get, and it is an Ollie Pop. We like the poppies, but they were out, so I just got me this flavor, strawberry vanilla, to go with my salmon bowl tonight. So I'm gonna put it all away. So I have these little, I think they're called egg cartons or berry cart trays, I don't know. I have 3 of them, and it's what I put my eggs in the fridge because I could fit more eggs with less space when I do this storage solution. And yeah, a thing I do like to look at when I open my eggs is they always have like a little like news article, and it gives like a chicken of the month, and it tells you like the bird of the month, the bird's name. And so this bird of the month is Serena, and it gives you a little picture of Serena, what the bird of the month looks like, and a little bit about her personality. So that's that. So here's a preview of what the eggs look like. 3 fit in this little stall, but it's a good amount of eggs. This drawer is very empty. Got my berries, my deli meat, and my Wegovy semi-glutide. Also got a lot of crumbs. I need to charge my mini vacuum. But this is the fridge. Lately my fridge has been looking empty, but it's because a lot of the food I've been getting is ingredients. So I need to cook the food, which isn't a bad thing, and I'm actually very proud of myself because we've been eating a lot more home cooked, healthier meals. So love that for us. This headband looks a little wild on this camera with this view. Kind of wild like my sink currently. I'm so overdoing dishes. Our dishwasher has been broken, but that's been the theme of everything in our home lately. So we haven't had the funds or the energy to try to research good replacements. So that's that. Get your frozen salmon. Then you just get this Japanese barbecue sauce. This one is the gluten-free one, which honestly I don't taste a difference. And you just cover your piece and let that sit. Usually this is always the first step. And as it's marinating briefly, I will rinse and start my rice in the rice cooker. And then chop and prep my cucumber and avocado. But right now I have all those dishes, so I'm gonna do that currently. Okay, so next, whoa, dang it. Next I just get this air fryer sheet. I put my salmon on that, and then I air fry it at 400 degrees for 14 minutes. And that's it as far as the salmon. Set it and forget it until it's done. Okay, I'm getting frantic because I'm behind of when I've needed to leave the house for the game. So anyways, I warmed up some rice. Once the rice was warm, if I have time and if I'm feeling fancy, I'll stir in some butter. And then once the salmon is done, I pop it on top of the buttered rice or just your plain rice. I do cucumbers. I like a lot of cucumbers. And then avocado. I did a full one just because I didn't want to waste the rest. Then we drizzle that same marinade on top. And then you're gonna drizzle the Japanese mayo, Kewpie mayo. I just took off the top so it's not like coming out as like cute. That probably feels like a lot, but I have a lot of rice under and the salmon is big. And then drizzle with sriracha, and that's it. You basically mix it all together and it is perfection. And that's all there is to it. If I have sesame seeds or like furikake, I'll add it to the top, but we don't have that at the moment. So I'll throw a lid on top of this and we're done. I'm gonna take it to the game for the sake of time. This doesn't look as cute as it normally does, but it is what it is. I'm gonna test out my new little lunch bag. Let's see if Ciala's cookies fit. Okay, well, they don't fit to go flat, so I'm gonna just have to do it sideways. And then put my bowl on top. And my Olipop, some napkins, and utensils. Just like that, we're ready to go. Good morning. Today we're celebrating our anniversary. So it's 7 a.m. and we're going to the temple. Okay, we are now at Henry and Jordan's game in Harriman. They're the black team. Jordan's 44. Henry is number 4. We're sitting here on these steps.
There you go. Wrong. Out.
If you didn't follow, he would have took off 50 years. He cut in.
You make him cut in. You make him cut in so they can help.
Okay, we're anniversary shopping with all of our gift cards. First up is Nike. See if Luca could buy a pair of shoes, because he's been talking a lot about how he hasn't bought him a pair of shoes in years. Let's see if we get lucky. Okay, we're at our next store with our next gift card, which is Target. Luca's putting on his new shoes to break in. Also thinking of this day in our anniversary celebration, I really imagine myself being cute all day, like a cute vlog girl. For shopping and for our lunch, even for the temple, but nothing that wasn't possible for today, so here we are, and this is what we look like, but it is what it is. So my hopes is to find something to wear for the game tonight. Honestly, I would use $100 easily, and my first thought was home decor, but I do need pants, so we'll see. Thank you. Target was a little chaotic, so I'll show you my haul when I get home. But funny story, so the gift card that we were given was $100, but then when we went to checkout, we found out there's no dollars on it.
Zero.
But it's fine because I got just a pair of jeans and leggings, and both together were actually only $27 because the jeans were on clearance. But then the worker had sympathy on us, and she brought it down to what? $8. So, steal. Guess I can't return either. We're now at Cheesecake Factory, so let's hope that this gift card works. Okay, Mook got his I got my Selmo. Getting ready now at home for the BYU game. It's Fat Boy's first game.
at BYU. So hurrying and doing my hair. Then I gotta figure out my outfit. One of the things that I bought at Target is like straight fit, like baggier jeans, which I have never owned or worn as a plus size gal. So I'm hoping to find me a cute outfit with this, and it'll be a confidence tester this evening to wear out. Either way, the vibe is always to be comfortable, casual but cute. I normally am someone who runs hot, so it's kind of annoying because right now, especially walking to wherever we're gonna park to go to, I know I'm going to sweat and be uncomfortable, which I hate being hot and sweaty, but then I know when the sun goes down it's gonna be cool. So the predicaments. Also, after Cheesecake, which is located like at the mall, we walked to a hat store within the mall, and after we left the hat store and we're walking to our car, I remembered I didn't have my camera, so I hurried back into Cheesecake, and they had it at the desk. However, which I had a feeling would be the case, my like lens that I usually have on this was no longer on it, so bummer. It is what it is. But I don't know if I'm gonna take the vlog camera because Mook's gonna take his actual camera to the game, so this might have to stay home.